want me.
You what? Do what?
Cheese.
Cheese? What are you riding? This big, huge dog? Is that your dog? What's his name?
That's Grady.
Grady? Is Grady pulling you around?
Nah. Grady pulling my around.
Oh yeah? Look how pretty you are. Hannah Pauline.
That's pulling my around.
Pulling you around. Wow.
That's killer pulling my around.
Hannah Pauline. How's it go? Ring around the rosy. Answer. What's the other go? Sing it.
On the ring around the roses. Pockets, pockets, fall down.
Ah!
And be careful. And be careful.
Oh, you're being careful? You don't fall down? You're on a big dog.
I got a big dog.
I think you could ride him like a horse. I think you could ride him like a horse.
Yes, I want a horse.
Say bye-bye.